As we head into the fall real estate market here in California, it's the perfect time to make sure your home is putting its best foot forward. I'm Nathan King, and today I want to talk about 3 sneaky little things that can actually turn buyers off. And the best part is, every one of them is super easy to fix. Let's start with the first one, lingering odors. Now, this is something buyers notice the second they walk in the door. Pet smells, strong cooking odors, or even that musty scent from a room you never use. You might not notice them anymore, but buyers definitely will. And once they do, it can instantly plant a little seed of doubt in their mind. They start wondering, is there a bigger issue here? Has the home been neglected? Are there moisture problems? And those are not the kinds of questions you want buyers asking when they're deciding if your home is the right one for them. The good news? It's usually an easy fix. A deep clean goes a long way, especially carpets, curtains, and furniture because those trap odors more than you think. Change out your HVAC filters, run an air purifier, and open your windows to get some fresh air circulating. One important tip, skip the heavy air fresheners and scented candles. They can actually make buyers suspicious that you're trying to cover something up. A clean, neutral scent is always your best bet. All right, number 2, minor maintenance issues. I'm talking about the small stuff, a loose cabinet door, a chipped baseboard, a flickering light. These little things might seem too minor to matter, but buyers pick up on them. And when they do, they start to wonder what else might be wrong. If the visible things haven't been taken care of, what about the stuff behind the walls? That's why I always recommend doing a quick pre-listing walkthrough. Go room by room and make a list of anything that needs attention. Tighten up hardware, patch up scuffs, swap out dead light bulbs. All these little fixes show buyers that the home has been well cared for. You don't need to spend thousands on a remodel. Most of the time, it's the small, simple updates that build the most confidence. And finally, lighting. This one becomes even more important in the fall and winter when the days are shorter. A dark or shadowy room can make your home feel smaller, colder, and less inviting. Even if the home itself is updated and beautiful, lighting changes how the space feels. And feelings are a big part of what drives a buyer's decision. The fix is simple. Replace old light bulbs. That instantly makes a space feel bigger and more welcoming. Open up all your blinds and curtains to let in as much natural light as possible and give your windows a good clean. You'd be surprised how much that helps. And if a space still feels too dim, add a floor lamp or a table lamp to warm things up. A little extra light can completely change the vibe of a room. Here's the bottom line. None of these fixes are complicated or expensive, but they make a big difference in how buyers feel when they walk through your door. First impressions matter, and often it's these little details that shape them. So if you're thinking about selling your home this fall, let's make sure it's making the best possible impression from the moment buyers walk in. I'm here to help you focus on the things that really move the needle. And if you're curious about what your home might be worth or just want to talk through your options, reach out. I'd love to chat and help you get started.